Hi everyone, in front of me I've got KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to customize the nightlight or comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's scroll down and localize the nightlight, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to turn it on manually. And you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can also customize it, so simply tap on the nightlight, and here we've got the intensity switcher at the bottom. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right warmer, so set it on the intensity which is the most comfortable for you. Here you've got also the schedule option. Usually it will be on the none option, which is manual option. Obviously you have to manually turn it on and off. Here you can also turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, so you can choose it from the clock, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the whole manual customization of the nightlight, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, you have to simply unroll the top bar and try to localize the icon which is connected with the nightlight. So let me try to find it, and here we've got the nightlight. So just tap on it to turn it on like that, and tap on it again to turn it off. If you cannot find the icon, no worries, just tap on this edit icon here, localize the nightlight, tap on it and hold it and drag it wherever you want to, so you will be able to of course drag it to this first section and drop it, and you will be able to apply it to the default section. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.